Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. We are continuing our evaluation of documents that were filed in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania in a criminal case involving Mr. Kohberger. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Kohberger was not accused of committing any crimes in Pennsylvania. He was there. He was physically in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania at the time that the arrest warrant back in Idaho was issued on December 29th, and he was taken into custody by Pennsylvania State Police at 1 a.m. on the 30th of December 2022. And this criminal complaint that was filed in Monroe County, Pennsylvania, by two state troopers with the Pennsylvania State Police begins by talking about the defendant being Brian Christopher Kohberger. That's his full name, where he lives, providing background information, his height, his weight, his date of birth, and then stating that these troopers are accusing Mr. Kohberger, who lives at the residence in Monroe County, with the commission of certain crimes. The next page talks about the fact that there are no crimes in Pennsylvania, that these crimes relate to a warrant that was issued back in Idaho. And then the state troopers have filed an affidavit of probable cause. It's actually two. They have filed together. They've signed it and filed it together. And it states that your affiant number one is Justin M. Leary of the Pennsylvania State Police, and affiant number two is Trooper Brian V. Knoll, also of the Pennsylvania State Police. It gives background information on both. It says that on Thursday, December 30th, 2022, the Pennsylvania State Police were assisting the Moscow Police Department in Moscow, Idaho, the Idaho State Police, and also, it states here, the Federal Bureau of Investigation with a criminal homicide investigation. And on the same date, Brian C. Kohberger was taken into custody in Monroe County, Pennsylvania, based on an active warrant for murder in the first degree issued through the Moscow Police Department. And then the troopers certified that the arrest warrant was confirmed through NCIC. They then both signed their names at the bottom as confirming that they were sworn according to the law. They depose and they state that the aforementioned facts are true and they are correct. The next two pages that I would like to discuss in this filing is from the magisterial district judge who was assigned to this case, and his name is Judge Michael R. Muth, M-U-T-H, and he addresses here, or the document addresses here, that there are certain court events that are taking place involving Mr. Kohberger, and that they are listed on the next page as being, one, a bail hearing that was scheduled, and two, that an extradition case was filed. And both of them are dated December 30th, 2022. Now, again, Mr. Kohberger is not charged with any crimes in Pennsylvania. Both of these documents, both the affidavit of probable cause that the two state troopers signed and the court events, relate to the fact that he happened to be in Pennsylvania when this warrant, which the state troopers certified was correct, was issued. So therefore, he was arrested. The troopers certified that they were assisting authorities, both with the FBI and back in the state of Idaho, to secure Mr. Kohberger's arrest. And the extradition statement here states that he would not be tried in Pennsylvania for these crimes. He needed to go back to the state of Idaho. This concludes our evaluation of the criminal complaint that was filed in Pennsylvania. Please join us next time when we will discuss other documents, including items that were returned pursuant to a search warrant in Pennsylvania. Thank you.